Milling machine after-sales maintenance video, quarterly maintenance. Check 1. Knife magazine cover inspection. Check if the coupling screws of the knife magazine cover are loose and locked tightly. Check 2. Screw inspection. Check if the screws of the axis bracket are loose and tighten them. Axis needs to check these 6 screws. Remove the fixture first. Then tighten these screws. Check these 6 screws and tighten them. If there is a lot of dust inside these 2 screws, be sure to blow them clean with an air gun. Reinstall the fixture. Check if the B-axis bracket screws are loose and tighten them. Remove the black protective cover. Use an extended wrench or a regular wrench to check the screws and tighten them. Reinstall the black protective cover. Click on J or G, keep on. Move the spindle downwards. Move to the appropriate location. Adjust the Z-axis coupling angle for easy tightening of screws. Tighten these screws. To lock the X-axis coupling, it is necessary to remove this casing. Adjust the X angle to a convenient angle for checking the screws. Tighten these 2 screws. Cover the lid back. Remove the cover of the Y-axis coupling. Move the Y-axis coupling angle to the appropriate position. Locking screw. Cover the lid back. Check 3. Electrical system maintenance. Tighten the first and third screws and do not move the second one if it is loose. Remove the rear shell. Prepare the air gun and screwdriver. Cut off the power supply. Blow the dust clean with an air gun. Blow the fan clean. Tighten the relay screws with a screwdriver. Check the circuit with a straight screwdriver. Check the screw problem at the plug. Attention! It is recommended to check the screws in these areas during the initial loading and unloading process. Finally, check all plugs and be careful not to unplug them. Check for lubrication system maintenance. First, return the spindle to 0. Click on JLG, keep on. Move X-axis position. Clean the lubricating oil of the X, Y, Z-axis screws and guide rails with a cloth. Use a cloth to rotate and wet the screw clean. Then apply new lubricating oil. Move the shaft in the opposite direction using the same method. Clean the lubricating oil on the other side and add new oil. Shut down and reinstall the back cover. Connect the fan. Check 5. Accuracy inspection. Install dial gauge. Click on JLG, keep on. Move X-axis, Y-axis. Turn the base to 1. Suck the base onto the axis. Adjust the pressure gauge. The current gauge needle has not yet touched the car needle. Adjust Y value. Rotate to observe changes in dial parameters. If it exceeds 5 grids, it means the accuracy is too high. 1 grid represents TMM, and the current test accuracy is normal. Remove the dial gauge. Accuracy testing of X, Y, and Z axis. Click on 0 or Home. Waiting to return to 0. Install the dial gauge onto the guide rail. Adjust the position to touch the bearing. Checklist, go to 100. Insert keyboard. Click on MDI and enter the current code. Click on Start. The current x-axis moves 0.1 to the left and 0.1 to the right, and observe the values of the pointer swinging 10 times. The pointer swings with a constant amplitude. The x-axis accuracy of the representative equipment is relatively accurate. Move the micrometer height to the y-axis position. Enter y-axis test accuracy code. Click on Start. Observe the position of the scale when the pointer swings back and forth. The current pointer swing amplitude does not exceed 0.01 millimeters. The normal accuracy is when the pointer swing amplitude does not exceed 0.05 millimeters. If the usage time is too long and the accuracy is greater than 0.05 millimeters, it is necessary to replace the precision accessories. Move the dial gauge to the z-axis position. Change to z-axis code. Click on Start. Observe the changes in the dial scale. The current z-axis variation difference is 0.01 millimeters, and the accuracy standard is. Check 6. Replace the cooling water of the water cooler. Disconnect the power and remove the screws of the two corner coils. Unplug the power supply and water pipe behind the water cooler. Unscrew this lid and drain the water from this opening. Unscrew the water inlet cover and add water inside.